If you want to cancel your Cash App free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you won't be charged once the trial period ends. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access subscription settings. Scroll down and look for the Subscriptions or Manage Subscription option. This section contains all your active subscriptions, including any free trials. Step 4. Select the free trial. Find the free trial you want to cancel in the list of subscriptions. Tap on it to view more details about the trial. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Cash App free trial and avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Cash App support for help.